Welcome to the Masterclass. Today, we're diving into the healing power of sound by Dr. Mitchell Gaynor. He was a pioneer in using sound and music with cancer patients, blending ancient wisdom with modern science. What you're about to hear isn't just theory. It's real-world application backed by research and patient results. During the Masterclass, we'll explore how sound influences the body, the mind, and our emotions. And most importantly, how we can apply these discoveries every day. We'll cover the science, the stories, and the statistics that make sound one of the most profound healing tools available today. I want you to picture your body as a finely tuned guitar. When every string is in harmony, the sound is beautiful. But when one string is off, even slightly, the whole performance suffers. Dr. Gaynor believed sound is medicine for our body's natural strings. Our strings are our cells, our organs, even our thoughts. Just like an instrument, we need tuning. And here's the kicker. The human voice and sound frequencies can do just that. Study from neuroscience show that sound vibrations can shift brainwave states within seconds, moving us from stress-driven beta waves into calm alpha or even meditative theta states. That's why even a single chant or a few minutes of music can feel like flipping a switch inside of you. Modern physics tells us that everything vibrates, from atoms to galaxies. Our cells emit measurable frequencies. When you're under stress, your cells vibrate differently. Research shows stress hormones like cortisol increase cell noise, leading to inflammation. Sound has been shown to reduce stress markers. A 2016 study found that Tibetan singing bowl meditation reduced anxiety, anger, fatigue, and tension by up to 12% after just one session. Another study from the American Journal of Health Promotion found that group drumming decreased stress hormones by 25% in participants within 1 hour. Think of it like hitting the reset button on your internal tuning fork. With each vibration, sound sends the message, return to balance. Dr. Gaynor wasn't just experimenting. He was treating patients with life-threatening illnesses. He introduced chanting, crystal bowls, and music therapy to cancer patients. In his clinic, more than 70% of patients reported a reduction in pain and anxiety when sound was integrated into treatment. Others noted improved sleep quality, emotional stability, and even stronger immune responses. Dr. Gaynor wrote that sound gave patients a sense of empowerment. It wasn't just doctors and machines working on them. They were participating in their own recovery. This sense of agency is critical because studies show that patients who feel actively engaged in their treatment have up to 30% better outcomes than those who feel passive. Ancient cultures have always used sound. Tibetan monks with bowls, Native Americans with drumming, Indian traditions with mantras. Science now validates what they predict. Sound lowers heart rate, reduces blood pressure, and improves sleep quality. Harvard research found that rhythmic chanting reduces blood pressure by 7 to 8 points on average in hypertensive patients. A National Institute of Health review revealed that structured music therapy reduced pain perception in over 50% of clinical trials reviewed. Dr. Gaynor built the bridge between these worlds, ancient ritual and model clinical evidence, showing us that wisdom passed down from centuries can now be measured and replicated with science. Sound healing isn't just for hospitals or monasteries. You've experienced it yourself, how one song can change your mood instantly. Humming stimulates the vagus nerve, which regulates your stress response. Research shows humming can increase nitric oxide in the body by 15 to 20%, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery. Chanting slows down the breath to 6 breaths per minute, the ideal rate for calming the nervous system and improving heart rate variability. Even music you enjoy has profound effects. Listening to calming music for 15 minutes can reduce cortisol levels by 25 to 30%. And what's powerful here is that there are tools you can carry with you everywhere. Your own voice can be medicine. Our alignment assessment works just like Dr. Gayor's sound sessions. By analysing your voice, it identifies where your notes are off, your hidden stress patterns and energy imbalances. Studies show vocal biomarkers can detect illness with up to 90% accuracy in some cases. Researchers have identified more than 150 different health conditions that can be flagged by subtle shifts in voice, from respiratory issues to neurological disorders. This is sound made visible. Instead of waiting for physical symptoms to appear, the assessment lets us hear imbalances before disease sets in. Just like tuning an instrument before a performance, we can detect problems before they break into full dysfunction. Once the assessment detects imbalances, the alignment protocol steps in as the tuner. It's like striking the right note with a tuning fork. Your body begins to resonate back into harmony. Just as Dr. Gayor used bowls and mantras to reduce stress, the protocol uses frequency-based practices to reset your body. And the data backs it up. Patients using sound-based interventions report up to 50% reduction in perceived stress levels after 28 days. When combined with lifestyle changes, protocols like these can improve sleep efficiencies by over 35% and increase energy levels throughout the day. The alignment protocol is both ancient wisdom reimagined and modern technology simplified, making healing accessible at home and in daily life. Here's something you can take home. Create a daily sound ritual. Maybe it's 5 minutes of humming before bed, playing relaxing music in the morning, or trying a short chant meditation. Research shows even 10 minutes of daily sound practice can lower cortisol levels by 20%. One study from McGill University found that music triggered dopamine release, the brain's pleasure chemical, by up to 9%, giving you a natural high without side effects. Pairing these rituals with the alignment protocol amplifies results. Think of it as tuning your instrument daily. Each small adjustment adds up, and over weeks and months, you are orchestrating better health, sharper focus, and deeper resilience. As we close, remember this: your body is an orchestra. Every organ, every cell, every thought contributes to your personal symphony. Dr. Gayor showed us that sound restores harmony. With tools like the alignment assessment and the alignment protocol, you are not just listening to the music of your life, you are actively composing it. Imagine living in a state where your mind is clear, your emotions are balanced, and your body resonates with health. That's the power of sound, and that's the invitation. Thank you for joining the Masterclass.